Hello everyone. Today let us learn sound words. SH sound words. The words starting with SH. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Now let us see. SHOUT shout. SHOE shoe. SHEEP sheep. SHOCK shock. SHARK shark. SHIRT shirt. SHOT short. SHEET sheet. SHUT shut. SHAKE shake. SHARE share. SHELL shell. SHADOW shadow. SHOP shop. SHELF shelf. SHORT short. SHIP ship. SHINE shine. SHED shed. SHOULD should. These are some of the words starting with SH and sh sound words. Shout, shoe, sheep, shock, shark, shirt, short, sheet, shut, shake, share, shell, shadow, shop, shelf, short, ship, shine, shed, should. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.